Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. And we've got a little surprise. We've done a little work to the Vanderhall, and mostly we got it wrapped. Anyways, but I've done a couple other little things, and I'm going to show you that stuff right now. Ready? A couple of the other things we've done, installed the cowl here, the hood cowl. It's just a decorative piece. It doesn't do anything, so it does keep you from reaching your hand down inside there and grabbing hold of that wire loom that's through there that probably all the electronics go from the dash to the engine. It's kind of nice that you can't reach down in there and grab it. I don't know if anybody would do that, but they might. I don't know. But then we did a different mount for the phone. This one's just a magnetic phone holder now. Much simpler, clean, nice, still charges. Very easy to use. Did these custom gauge hoods. These are literally made out of Traxxas body material from an X-Max, one of the Traxxas cars that we sell at work. I just cut them, shaped them, mostly double-sided taped on there, but this one needed an extra little piece to keep the shape because it was wanting to spring out. So it's bolted to a piece and then double-sided taped on. They've been awesome. People get glare on the windshield from this, and it's been kind of a problem at night. So this keeps that from happening. It looks kind of cool. I mean, I like it anyways, but it solves that problem of the glare, and it's pretty bad. So it takes care of that. The wrap is inspired by an AT6 Texan theme, you know, so like an AT6 Texan airplane. So just imagine if you had a prop up here at the nose of this thing. You know, if you had wings out here, it'd be airplane-ish. No tail, of course, but you know, hey, whatever. It is, you know, tail wheel, single tail wheel, like an AT6 would have been. We lost the gas cap at some point. It just fell off out of nowhere. I was driving down the road, went to the dealership to pick up the license plate for this thing, and when I got there was no gas cap on the car. So yeah, gas cap gone. Replace it with an E85 one just because it's yellow. This thing doesn't run E85. I mean, maybe I'll make it run E85 one day, but for now it doesn't. That'd be pretty cool though, to modify this to run ethanol. Give it a little more horsepower. Don't mind the dog barking. But anyways, it's the other thing I guess we did, new steering wheel. I don't know if I saw that or if I've ever put that in the new update, but that I wanted a suede steering wheel. The wood steering wheel was cool and all. It's big, which I might actually go to a little bit bigger version of this, but the wood just didn't work with the overall look of this, so I went with a suede steering wheel, and it'll be a little cooler in the summer, hopefully, maybe, I don't know, maybe not, but it's definitely warmer in the winter, so that's kind of nice. Did the North American Aviation plaque here. This is what would have been on a real AT6 Texan. Got to customize it. It was just, you know, blank, and I went ahead and bought the metal stamp to put all that in there. Just generic stuff, MD81 for contract number, it's my initials when I was born, you know, things like that. Kind of neat. Part of the VIN, whatever. Looks cool. it's officially riveted, as in it's nailed to the wood. So, you know, it's official. But other than that, I don't know. I'm trying to get new wheels for it. It's easy to find fronts that fit. The rear is different because the offset is real weird, and there are wheels out there that fit it, but not the ones I want. I want like an old vintage style for it, and I haven't found anything yet. I found what I like, but not in the right offset, so I might have to have them custom made. But yeah, that's about it, except for the dogs barking now because I'm not at home. We just came back from a car show. First one I've ever taken it to. It's the Lake Highlands car show. About probably 40 people there or something. Parked next to a couple of classic Corvettes, and it's interesting to see the dash of the Vanderhall and how it resembles an old classic car. The mirrors too, they are normally flat mirrors. These are a convex mirror now for blind spot, because it's a lot easier to see when you're driving around with that. But yeah, I mean, overall, super happy with the wrap. Wrap Garage is the one that did it. There's their logo. They're on Instagram and I think Facebook or something. I'll put the links to their pages down below. But they did the work, did a really good job. There's a couple little tiny things, but that's me being a perfectionist, wanting like every little piece to be perfect. But they did a pretty awesome job, did it in a week. Super cool guys there. They designed the whole thing, so giving it the distressed look, putting the rivets on there, which from a distance the rivets look super realistic. I've had people ask on the forums already if those were real. They're not. That would be a lot of work. But yeah, it's turned out pretty good. So I have noticed something though. I'm getting a lot of squeak from the suspension on this side, and what I noticed is, I don't know if you can see this, but I've got some grease coming out of, I don't know, what appears to be the CV joint or something up there. Not sure really, but there's some grease building up on all this over here. You can kind of see it there. That concerns me a little bit, so I'll figure that out. It's not on this side, I don't think. No, this side's pretty clean. So I'm gonna have to look into that and figure out what's going on. I think that's what's causing the squeak on that side. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. Just a quick little update, just throw something out there because I haven't had a chance to do a video in a while. But yeah, so hopefully now that we're having gorgeous weather in Texas, hopefully we can get to some more shows, get the word out there a little bit more, get a few more subscribers to the channel. Gotta catch up to Mark Santa Maria. That dude's killing it, over 2,000 subscribers now. Yeah, I'm nowhere near that. But thank you guys for watching the channel. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.